What's up, y'all? I know it's been a minute, but I'm back and I'm better, and I'm ready to slay some microlinks and Itips with y'all. So I'm gonna kick off my first video with something real proper. This hair was sent to me by HerGivenHair. HerGivenHair is a hair company that has been around for many, many years, and they specialize in textured hair. Yes, texture. I've used their hair multiple times, but their weft hair is always textured. They're actually launching a new line of hair for microlinks and Itips. So they wanted me to try it, so here we go. Their hair was packaged very nicely and neatly. It came with care instructions. I want to always remind people to read the care instructions of anything. I don't care how raw you think you are, you got to read how to take care of people product that they're sending you. Here I am showing that they have sent 200 grams of Kinky straight ITIP hair. Their hair is bundled in 25 strand bundles, and it is very neat. They also sent some pliers and some microlink tubes, so that was cool too. Let's get into it. I believe in the perfect setup. I'm here to service my clients because they chose me. It's the best feeling as a customer when you walk in and it looks like your hairstylist was ready for you. Plus, it cuts down on time. I like to be prepped and ready to go. So here you see this beautiful hair on my strand stand, and all of my loops are beaded. My combs and clips are there. This is my beautiful model, Dee. She is going to get her Itips today. All of my services are full service, meaning we're going to detangle, deep condition, steam, all that, to make sure that the hair is nice and strengthened and ready for your extension service. I literally love hair. Dee has beautiful hair. So before we hit water, we're gonna detangle from the ends on up, like a real hitter would, like a real hitter should, to make sure that hair don't lock any tangles when the water hits it. Please detangle before the bowl, because if you don't, you gonna pay later for sure. This is the first step of a successful hairstyle. Everyone that graduated cosmetology school knows that great hair begins at the bowl. And all products are not one size fits all. You have to understand and really assess your client's hair before you get to putting products in it. Some products are heavy. Some products have invigoration. Some products are very light. You have to know the hair and what you're trying to achieve before you just get to shampooing. So if you go to a stylist and that stylist only has one bottle of shampoo, that's a red flag. You want somebody who got a repertoire of stuff, that knows what they're doing, and that's gonna take care of you. Literally just washing this shampoo, I'm like, dang, I wish that was me. I can't wait till Samia do mine. Samia! Here at Just Vanity Salon, we like to make our shampoos a spa-like experience. We like it to be like something that you can't do at home. See how we put that massage on her? That feels so good to the scalp. It stimulates the scalp. It improves and increases blood flow to your head, which also improves and increases hair growth. Here's where we will start our conditioning and steam treatment. I emulsified my product to get it throughout her entire hair, and now the steam will start. This feels so amazing. Hair absorbs and retains moisture better when it's steam treated. Also, I'm wet brushing, her hair from ends to root to distribute product and to, again, detangle. One time, someone wrote a bad review on me for brushing their hair through with conditioner in it. That was hecka weird, but whatever, you can't win them all. At this stage in my career, your hair health is my number one priority, so I will never do anything to compromise your hair. I'm literally here to care for your hair and give it the love and the attention that it needs. So back to the chair we go, and now I'm gonna spray my blow dry primer on into her hair and kind of comb it through and section her hair for control to do her blow dry. I blow dry with a brush. This is the foundation of a silk press. This is what helps silk your hair out. I know how y'all like to argue, but let me do what I do behind my chair. Now, here we are doing the install. I take my time. I make sure my sections are clean. I make sure there's no crosshairs. I make sure that my positioning is level with my chest so that there's no over direction or anything that will make you have a sloppy boo-boo install. What's really cool about Her Given Hair is that all of their tips are consistent. If you do microlinks and Itips, you know that some companies' tips are different sizes, which can extremely be annoying and affect your install in a really bad way. Look at Dee Dee's hair. Like, that is so natural on her. Like, that is her hair. You can't tell me it's not. And she is such a beauty. Like, this is literally her hair. You can't tell me it's not her hair. I love the way this hair just blends like nothing. And of course, we gotta show our section perfection. Look how neat this is. Like, this is how a neat ITIP install looks like. It's on point. Now we're gonna see what that heat do. I always heat protect, and I keep my flat iron on a low setting. Look, this hair is straightening just fine on 435. Just remember that your client's natural hair is mixed in with this, so don't just blow it up like it's on 435. Mind you, I always get a lot of people that ask, does this straighten more than that? Can it get straighter? Of course it can. If I were to decide to blow dry it out, moisten it, then press it out, it will get straighter. But most people who opt for textured hair want a textured look. If you want bone straight hair, get bone straight hair. The idea in my salon, if you want texture, is because you want it to be textured and emulate your natural hair as a person with texture. Mind you, if you do use textured hair, it looks better in a curled style. It really looks natural when it's curled with texture. When it comes to cutting textured hair, I try to never use a razor. It messes with the cuticle of the textured hair. So we don't create any roughness, I cut with shears. When it comes to styling microlinks and I-tips, the amount of layer you can get depends on the length of your hair. Dee Dee's hair is pretty long, so she can't get too many layers unless she's willing to cut her natural hair. So sometimes if your hair is longer, it's harder to layer versus if your hair is short. If she had hair that was 3 inches, we would be able to cut big, dramatic layers into her hair. But her hair is long. Ponytail, what's up? Now I am curling her hair with my favorite irons. I would usually pin the curls if I wanted them to be a tight look, but right now I just want to give it body. It's also gonna react differently because I did just straighten it first, so the curls will be different if I did not just put heat in it to knock out some of the texture. Look how neat that install is. This do be my favorite part, the comb out. I love doing the comb out. It is when it all comes together and all your beautiful work is completed. And here is our finished product. She has light layers, it's natural, it's beautiful. She could do her ponytail. Her Given Hair nailed it with this one. This hair is soft, it doesn't separate and get stringy. It is beautiful. And look how good she looks. All in all, this install was bomb, and Her Given Hair Kinky Straight I-tips are bomb as well. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'm glad to be back. I'll be more consistent if I get some love on this. Thank you guys.